Hi everybody, welcome to lab number, or demo, I should say, demo number 9 of AI-900. We're going to take a quick look at the AI Foundry. It is available on ai.azure.com, and you need to remember to sign in here. Once you've signed in, you'll then be presented with all of your projects and everything. In the beginning, you might not have a project. It's not a problem. You just create one. We're going to call it my AI hub, or my AI project. And let's call the hub. Let's create a new one for that. My AI hub. Yeah. All right. With regards to the places where it gets into, take a look and customize all of this. I want to put it into our AI-900 demos resource group, because that way I can delete everything at one go. And I can select the location here. Now note that different locations have different capabilities. So there is this help me choose button here. And basically, if you're looking for something like, let's say, GPT-4, yeah, then you could select it, and then it'll tell us where this is available. North Central US, East US, Canada, East. So let's go with North Central US. We search, we don't need to connect, so we're gonna be okay with this. So let's just create this. Right here you can see now the main page of our project that has been created. Quite a lot of stuff is available here. The most interesting part here is, for us right now, is the management center, and that shows us the resources that were actually created on our behalf, right? Okay, so with regards to this, yeah, I forgot that. So here we can see the project specific properties, and then up here we can see the hub specific properties as well. So let's go and take a look at some of the stuff that has been created here. Now maybe go to the resource group. This brings us over to the portal. And you can see some of the stuff, at least, that has been created here. We have an AI service in North Central US. Let me just show you how to add another AI service. So let's create one more. Put it in the same resource group. And this time let's put it into East US 2. And this is my other AI resource. All right, so that's done. So now if we go back to our project here, note that down here there is this connected resources thingy that has different connected resources in it. And now we can connect our AI service that is over in East US to this project as well. Do new connection. We want to take AI services. And it's this one, the my other resource. Add a connection. And now you can see that it is connected. So if we close this, then it is available here, just as well as the other AI service. So how do we use this stuff then? Well, if we go to our project, right? So maybe through here, away from the management pane. Then over here on the left-hand side, we have this AI services button that will then enable us to work with the different kinds of AI services that are available. Plenty of stuff available here. So maybe let's look at the language here. There we would have like translation, and then text translation. And then try with your own. And you can see that it now gives us this possibility to choose the AI service we want to use. And then let's translate something into Finnish. Hello world. Oops, not hello. Hello world. And then it has the Finnish equivalent there as well. We can also deploy Gen AI models here. That's kind of one of the reasons why we were choosing a specific region. The way that this works is here on the left-hand side, under My Assets, we have to go to Models and Endpoints. Right? And we don't currently have any. That's okay. So let's deploy a model. And what we want to deploy is just the base model. And now we can search for ChatGPT, right? Or sorry, GPT. And maybe we want to do GPT-4. And then confirm. And then we have some stuff to fill out. So we can give it a name. It's like GPT-4 deployment. The type of deployment. With global standard, we pay per API call with the highest rate limits. We could also go with standard, so there are lower rate limits. Good enough for us. Then the model version that we want to use. There are plenty different ones available. Then which AI resource we want to use. So we want to use the primary one in North Central US for this one. Tokens per minute, you can set the rate limit here. Let's put something like 5K in place. And then content filter default v2 is okay. Dynamic quota, we don't need that for this purpose, so let's not take that. Right, let's deploy. All right, so the model has now been deployed. Now we can directly open it in the playground from here. So here is our deployment on the left-hand side. And now this is our playground for chat, right? So we can now interact with the model, like how can I use Azure AI services in a software development project. And then GPT will happily give us an answer of how we can do that. All right, this was a quick overview of AI Foundry. I hope you enjoyed it. and see you in the next demo. Till then.